Hey there, science enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the nutrient cycle and exploring the crucial role of decomposing microorganisms. Now, imagine a world without decomposing microorganisms. How would the nutrient cycle be affected? Well, let's break it down. In this hypothetical scenario, when plants and animals die, their bodies would simply decompose, but without the help of microorganisms. This means that the nutrients locked within those organisms would not be recycled back into the ecosystem. As a result, the nutrient cycle would be severely disrupted. Nutrients would be lost to the environment, and the overall efficiency of the ecosystem would be significantly reduced. So, the next time you're out in nature, take a moment to appreciate the hardworking decomposing microorganisms that play a vital role in keeping our ecosystems thriving. Thanks for joining me in this thought experiment, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more science-filled content. Until next time, keep exploring.